Hi, Katie here and welcome to Vibe Feature Friday. Today I'm going to walk you through a new feature that's called Deep Sleep. Now, if you've had a Vibe board for a while, you know that there's a button in the back of the board right here that it has like kind of some ridges. This is the button that you use if you want to put the board to sleep. You just tap it and the screen will go dark, but if you tap it again, it turns back on. So with Deep Sleep, you're going to hold down this button and a menu will pop up with the option to sleep, deep sleep. This is also where you can restart your board. When you select the deep sleep option, what will happen is it's going to put Vibe to sleep, and the only way to turn it back on is going to be to tap that button again. So this is a great option if you want to kind of turn off your Vibe for the night and make sure that someone doesn't knock against it and it turns back on. Thanks so much for joining and hope you have a great weekend.